Cache key manhunt iPhone. First, open the control center. Press and hold on an empty area. Select Add Control. Tap on Screen Recording. This will add the iPhone screen recording button to the control center. Tap outside. Press and hold the screen recording button. To turn on the microphone, tap on Microphone. And the iPhone screen recording video will be saved to Photos. To start recording, tap the record button. This will start recording the iPhone screen. After finishing the iPhone screen recording, tap the circular icon to stop. Tap the stop icon. And that's it. This is how you can record your iPhone screen, and the video will be saved to Photos. This is the video I just recorded on my iPhone screen. So I've just shown everyone how to record the iPhone screen. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much.